Hello, welcome to Fitu Thai Kitchen. Today we take you to Sukhothai, the first capital in Thailand. Right, we just come and see how the people, local people away, how they eat, and then how the food look like.
Tan Puy noodle shop in Sukhothai, Thailand.
This one, the first thing we just order. This one pork satay. Very big portion of this one. Really big portion if compared to us. Let me try first.
The sauce look good.
Yeah, the sauce, the peanut sauce. Not too bad. And then they eat with the achar sauce over here.
Like Malaysia.
Yeah. Yeah, not too bad. And then a drink. Cha manao. Oh, very big portion. Let me try if compared to us.
เก๊กควยรันเอาท์
เพราะ every time เรา order เค้กก่อนมีน้ำกระเจี๊ยบไหมครับ ไม่มีเหรอโอเลี้ยงก็ได้ครับ
Cha manao. Sour tea. Too sour.
The sour tea is too sour, yeah?
Yeah, too sour. That's why I call
Yeah.
sour tea.
Yeah.
เกลียวกรอบ piece of wonton skin, nothing inside.
สวยจริง
Nothing inside. Right.
Who recommend this place? อีสัง
We check from Google. I don't know. We wait for the main dish. Maybe it look nice.
So
Right.
tell us about the special Sukhothai dishes.
Oh, the special for the noodle soup, right? They use the tamarind sauce. It make it sour. If from Bangkok or from central of Thailand, they use lemon juice or vinegar. This is the different, and also the vegetable. Over here they put long bean, but this shop, let's see what vegetable they put. Right? Okay. Let's see and check. This the noodle we have ordered. Okay, they put long bean, right? This. Okay, we put long bean, and the sauce. Let me try the
ไม่เป็นไร
sauce.
ครับ
Yeah, they put the tamarind sauce. Yeah, make it sour. Yeah. Okay, right. And they put peanut.
How's it?
Yeah.
อร่อยนะเนี่ย
Nice.
พูดเท็จอร่อยนะ
Nice.
อร่อยเปล่า
If compare this one and the first one. This one, yeah. Because
This one is Chef Tu's uglier sister. How is it, Noah?
อร่อย
อร่อย
Okay, Thai prawn. How the Thai prawn look like? The prawn. Noodle. Banana leaf, raw bean sprout, peanut, and garlic leaf. If you like more sour, you squeeze a piece of lemon. After I split, then let me try. Oh, they put the long bean. This one mainly with the noodle. They put long bean.
โอ้โห
Oh, nice. Should not be the noodle soup. You want to sit? You want to เห็นไหมมันอิจฉา You want to sit next to ยายตู